in slow motion.
What are they building?
Sounds pretty serious.
All the more reason to work harder.
Could you please stop making sound effects already? Oh, zip it!
So long, Beardo. Enough already!
It was really nice to meet all of you!